Okay, first tutorial didn't work so well, so we're redoing it again. So you're gonna go to this right here. Link's gonna be in the description below. You're gonna click binaries after you click that. It's gonna show up in your downloads, or you can just open it when it shows up there. I've already gotten it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. Now you're gonna need either the 32-bit or the 64-bit, and of course if you're using this on the other ones, you're going to need it on one of these. It's only available on Linux though for right now, or not Linux, OS X for Mac. I don't think it works. Yeah, it doesn't work for that. So OBS, this is for this one's for Windows, this one's for Mac, and soon to come to Linux and Windows 7. So that's nice. Except I think the Windows version is better, at least according to a few things that I've said. This apparently it's still in beta, so it's good for beta software. To start off, the reason why the video quality doesn't look good is because I've changed the resolution to the best my computer can support, which sucks, I know, I'm sorry. So to find out which one you need, either the 64-bit or the 32-bit, like I need the 32-bit, most likely you're going to have a 32-bit operating system, and how you figure this out, in case you don't know, is you go to your Start, Computer, right-click, and then Properties. And here in the Properties it's going to say right here, System Type 32-bit operating system or 64-bit operating system, and that's how you're going to decide which one you're going to need to keep. It's going to download a zipped folder, by the way, and you need to extract the one you need and then delete the other one and the zipped folder, of course. Okay, so one thing that you're going to need to do too while you're here is go to the Windows Experience Index, and mine's at this is my processor right here, and it's also right here if you want to compare processors to what I have. So if you go here, look at the subscore for your processor, and if your processor's better, you're going to be able to increase FPS and the screen resolution to what I have. So there's that. Now we're going to go down here. So you're going to open up OBS. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to find this right here, and you're going to double click it to open it. I already have it opened. And in case you want to create a shortcut like I did here and then like hide this file, what you can do to hide files, by the way, is you right click Properties and then you click Hidden. Just remember that that's called 32-bit, and then you're okay. And then you want to apply it to the folder only, because then you'd have to, if in case you need to go in there, you'd apply it to all the files inside. So you just want to hide that folder itself. So it's hidden, you can't see it, it looks nice. Then you can put this wherever you want on your desktop. I'm going to keep it up here. So you're going to double click get that started. Creating a shortcut, by the way, you right click and click shortcut onto the application. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. So I'm going to open this up. You're going to see this. Just ignore the video showing. I don't know if there's a way I can disable that, but what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you settings. So I'm going to give you this file here, which you can download in the download link in the description below, which is the settings I have here. I have messed around with the settings and got them to work with my computer. So if you have a 4.7 level of a processor by what Windows says, then you'll probably want these settings here. So we're going to go to the settings. You can do the drop down menu, or you can click down here. I usually click down here. So you're going to go to, we don't want encoding. You can change these to what you want, if you know what you're doing there. So you can go to video and then see there's my my video adapter, so my graphics card, yes. So that's my monitor default. It defaults to your monitor's size. And I've turned it down to the lowest here in the resolution downscale, so if you don't want any, just click none up there, and then you can change it as you need for your operating system. Like your processor, actually. This is for your processor. If your processor's not that good, you're going to want it down to the point where it will work. Like if I turn it up any higher, I believe at least to 2, it freezes after a few seconds of recording, so I have it down at the lowest. I'm probably going to try changing the settings a little bit more. Then FPS is default to 30 by the software. I turned it down to 20 because it runs a little smoother. I think it looks better because my processor is not that good. You don't need to do this. What this is going to do is it changes your color scheme to Windows Basic, so you don't want that. We don't want to apply any changes because we didn't make any. Hotkeys. My hotkeys are Alt B to mute/unmute the microphone. I used to have it be like BB, like just B, but